So you can turn your Google Assistant to a very good and accurate real-time interpreter on your Android phone. However, not many people know how to do this correctly. So here's how adjust your Google Assistant and use it as your private language interpreter, and watch until the end because I'll give you a very good tip. So at the first tab, let's open up our settings. After that, scroll down to your Google, tap on it. Press on all services right here, then press Search Assistant and Voice. Here, make sure to tap on your Google Assistant, Voice Match, and make sure that this switch is turned on near your Hey Google. So now let's try and use it. Hey Google, be my Spanish interpreter. Right, so now we are interpreter mode. The Google listens to what we're saying and automatically transcribes it into text in one of the languages. So let's try something. ¿Cómo estás? Right, that's how it works. We can copy it. We can ask to pronounce it. Está bien. Yep, that's how it works. So when you're done, you are simply to close this Google tab and it's over. So here's a little tip for an offline use of the Google Assistant. Make sure to download some offline packs to Google Translate because they are correlated. But basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.